Hello everyone, this is a Smiley Teacher and I'm so happy to see you here. In today's lesson, we will talk about first conditional. So, let's get started. So why do we use first conditional? We use it to talk about real and possible situations in the future based on whatever happens right now. Let's take a look at this example. If it rains right now, we will stay inside in the future. So basically, we are talking about possibility. How do we make it? This is called our if clause and this is called our main clause. In our if clause, we need if plus subject and present simple. And in our main clause, we need subject plus will. If it is negative, you need won't here. And base form or simple form of the verb. Keep in mind that you need a comma between the clauses. Let's put everything together. When do we use first conditional? To talk about real, possible future events based on whatever happens right now, or to make promises, warnings, or offers. Let's look at one warning. If you don't wear a coat, you will catch a cold. This is the negative form for third person. If he doesn't finish his homework, we won't, negative form of will, go to the park. One question form, will she move to New York if she gets the job? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Let's practice. Please try to pause this video right now and try to do it on your own. Only use first conditional. In the next slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. So do it first and then check the answer key. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.